Oh, Cora totally got slime.
We played slime tag and I'm covered in slime.
So some days this is how they go to school. Now he's going to fall to his doom.
They also have a bucket.
Oh, he didn't fall to his doom. He lives! The boy lives. Here goes the second little daredevil. And he's hurt. They'd rather do this than go around a small little block. Oh my gosh. That didn't sound good.
There goes the third daredevil with Dad's help.
Hey, what are we up to now? What is the next project? Come on. Maybe the title will give it away. No.
Hi everybody. We are on to a new adventure and we are going to make more slime. So last time a lot of people gave us crap because the slime that we made was not slime, as everyone commented. It was actually a recipe we got for Nickelodeon slime. So if you're like old like me and Jase, then you might remember what Nickelodeon is, and they had a cool TV show where you would like play games and if you got answers wrong, you got slimed. Anyways, super awesome. But we are going to make the glue version of slime and have a whole week off and on of slime games. The kids aren't gonna know what hit them, except for slime. Slime's gonna hit them. We are making some slime, and why do I look frizzy and crazy? Because we're gonna play slime games, and that means I am not getting ready to get crappy because it's gonna get messy. So I've added my liquid glue. Kids love this stuff. Now we're gonna add some food coloring. We're gonna make yellow today. When are we gonna slime?
Oh, can't come out.
We're going to...
Oh.
We just made slime and I accidentally got it in wet.
Rach was like, honey, this doesn't stick to anything. Look. She... Gross. Very gross. Not out there, guys.
Okay, let's go in the house and clean them up.
Oh, gross.
Paper, scissors, shoot! Out.
Ready to go!
It's okay.
It's mine. Hey, I'm it.
It's okay, you both can go.
Oh, Cora totally got slime.
It's okay, it'll wash out. Oh!
It's all over me. Slime! Dad, look! It's too sticky! Dad! Monster! Luckily it's a pig! Gross! Slime! I'm a rat!
You got it all on your body.
No, I don't want it on this!
Turn around. Oh, you got really slimed.
I really don't want it!
Mommy's not allowed to get hit. I just got hit. I just got slimed.
Gross! No! Oh my God!
Oh crap! Get it! No, touch my slime!
Yes, I got blue slime. I got it!
This is truly one of our messiest ideas.
I am dead. Hey, everyone. We're going after him! Covered in glue! We played slime tag and we're covered in slime! Oh, disgusting, Mom.
Oh, nasty. Probably not. It's gonna be the dirtiest ride home. We got slimed, and this was really fun. And this is gonna be the first in a series of slime games coming off and on the next couple weeks. I don't know if we're gonna find enough children that want to play with us. Was it fun?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mom, we just finished doing slime, and Cora, shows your hands. Oof, she's got really gross hands. She's got some in her hair and on her back. Oh, it's sticking to your. Hey, sit back. I don't know if you guys can see mine, but it's like, yeah, no, I can't show you unless I go upside down. See that, you guys? Gross. So, first of all, do not use this when you are at home. It gets in the carpet and it just can't come out. I promise you, it will not come out. And also, don't put it on your arms or your legs and stuff. Glue, when you like rub it around and it dries, it can peel off. This was made with glue, and so that's why it's peeling off. It's gross and it hurts to get off. So I'm gonna be taking a long shower. Oh look, it looks like he has like strings all over his back. See?
Tag, get your shirt.
Oh, gross. I am so glad I did not get that bad. Yep. And so here, guess what? The slime, if it sits for long enough, it seeps through your shirt. So now it's on my skin, on my back, and so comment down below if you guys have ever tried this. So goodbye, everybody. You should. All right. So we finally asked our dad to clean the sink. Look what is in our toilet from the sink. Disgusting.
Yeah, this is what I'm pulling out.
Yeah, Dad's being a man. Just thinking about coming over here makes me gag. And Klai is like about to barf. It's so disgusting. Okay.
Okay. I have pulled out a lot of freaking hairballs out of here. How's that look, Rykel?
It's poop! One more look at the toilet. And look at that.
Yes, Rykel. That is all yours and Klai's crap that you try to put down the sink.
And
This is what plumbers get to deal with all day.
but it's poop. Dad is such a man. Comment down below if you've had your dad or mom do this for you.
Just wanted us to do like DVDs,
Look what Klai is
CDs, and
doing.
like this.
Look what I
This
built.
thing to hold
Uh-huh.
everything. Like a faux briefcase, a faux bamboo.
Those aren't supposed to come off. It's a head.
And so
Yeah.
I talked him through that.
Their
I was
heads.
Like, well,
That's
actually,
wrong.
we're working on some
Oh.
bamboo briefcases. And
Stop it.
this, that, and the other. And then,
That
I
is
said,
wrong.
But, start at the beginning.
They're just sitting together. It's Leia with no arms sitting by her brother Lou. Brothers and sisters do? They sit with each other?
Okay, girls, put your stuff back in.
What stuff?
Under this.
Klai is pinching my... Dad forgot his pocket knife and all his tools. Ouch! Klai bit me. No! Instead of, ow, Charlie bit my finger. It's, freak out! I mean, Klai! Still cleaning. Well, Evie is. Cora, what did you call Evie? I can tell you. Cora called me Guts and called Evie a brat and selfish and rude. So she's gonna get soap in her mouth. Let's get her soap.
I'm not gonna do soap. You have to.
Since me and the girls have cleaned, now we get to play outside.
See? I'm teaching Cora how to do something. Watch. Cora, try it. Cora, try it. Oh, you did it! Hey! Whoa, that was another trick. You know what we should play?
What?
Should we play Chop That?
Sure. So to play this game, you need your stuff.
Yeah.
And you need the cards. And so whatever, if it's like, for example, this one, if it's showing all the colors brightened, that means that they all need to be shown. But if they are gray like these, they need to be hidden. Okay, let's start. Ready, go, okay. Stop that. Boom. Stop that.
Diezel! Stop that! Stop that! Stop that!
To be like that.
Next round. Okay, so these have to be seen. So like this, Cora.
Stop that.
Blue. Stop that.
Stop that.
Stop that! Your lies.
Sorry.
Stop that.
Woo! Good job, Cora. Stop that.